Hey guys, if you just loaded into Fortnite and you see that you can't load into anything, which means you can't do discovery and go into any map, put any codes. For that matter, you can't even change your skin. Sometimes you're stuck. That's okay. We just have to wait. Right now, if you guys go into Fortnite status, you will notice this right here that tells you that there's issues right now and they're investigating it and they will fix it. So all we have to do is wait for them to update Fortnite. So there might be an update coming up, or it could be like an internal backend type of update, which does fix Fortnite itself. So it could be working right now. And all we have to do in order to get it to fix, although we can't fix this, we can just wait, is close the game, okay, or else it's not going to refresh for you. And once you close the game and open up again, it's going to work once it's working. So again, just make sure to refresh this page to see if it's working. It should tell you right here on the website if there's still problems. Right here it says matchmaking, major outage. If you guys go to the website, and it's also going to tell you that the issue's still there, so they haven't fixed it. So here we go. We're just going to click into it. And if we are good, it should be working right now. If not, it's not going to work out. Okay, it's still not working. That said, for some people, they might be able to get into the game. So you guys can just go into their party and it should load up. So we're going to go into a party right now and see if it's loading anything. But it says nothing on it. So it might still not be working. So right now, all we can do is just wait. So just wait for it. We're going to join another party. Check that one out. And it is possible that somebody actually gets in. It is possible. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like.